Proof of identification and license status. Carrying your driver's license serves as evidence of your identification and verifies that you are legitimately permitted to operate an automobile. It provides essential info such as your name, address, date of birth, and license class or endorsements. Suppose you're involved in a car crash and need to exchange information with the other driver involved. Your vehicle driver's license will be required to verify your identification and license status, facilitating the exchange of appropriate information and insurance details. Compliance with traffic laws. Carrying your driver's license is essential for compliance with traffic legislations and laws in New South Wales. It shows your determination to follow legal requirements and cooperate with authorities when necessary. During regular traffic stop or checkpoints performed by police, drivers are consistently asked to offer their licenses for confirmation. Having your license readily available can expedite the process and protect against any kind of unnecessary delays or difficulties. Penalties for non-compliance. Non-compliance with driver's license laws, such as driving without carrying a legitimate license or permit, can bring about fines or penalties in different jurisdictions, including New South Wales. It is important to have your driver's license in your possession whenever you drive a vehicle. Exceptions. While it is typically necessary to have your physical driver's license with you, there may be exemptions in certain scenarios. As an example, some jurisdictions might permit electronic or digital versions of licenses to be revealed using mobile phone apps. In general, it is essential to adhere to the legal commitment of having your driver's license with you while driving in order to follow the traffic regulations, streamline interactions with authorities or other drivers, and validate your identity and licensing status. It is a primary task of all drivers to have their driver's license quickly available when driving a vehicle.